is your girl Tysheen, and I'm back with another video. How y'all feeling today? How y'all doing? So I'm going to be reacting to a song called Don't Let Me Be Misunderstood by the Animals. I reacted to some of their songs already. Well, one song I did. I don't remember the name of the song that I reacted to, but I'll put it right here. So go and check that out. And yeah, so let's get started.
Baby, do you understand me now? Sometimes I feel a little mad, but don't you know that no one alive can always be an angel? When things go wrong, I seem to be bad. I'm just a soul whose intentions are good. Oh Lord, please don't let me be misunderstood. Baby, sometimes I'm so carefree with a joy that's hard to hide. And sometimes it seems that all I have to do is worry, and then you're bound to see my other side. I'm just a soul whose intentions are good. Oh Lord, please don't let me be misunderstood. If I seem edgy, I want you to know that I never mean to take it out on you. Life has its problems, and I get my share, and that's one thing I never mean to do, 'cause I love you. Oh, 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 baby, don't you know I'm human? I have thoughts like any other one. Sometimes I find myself alone regretting some foolish thing, some little sinful thing I've done. I'm just a soul whose intentions are good. Oh Lord, please don't let me be misunderstood. Yes, I'm just a soul whose intentions are good. Oh Lord, please don't let me be misunderstood. Yes, I'm just a soul whose intentions are good. Oh Lord, please don't let me be misunderstood.
I like the way they did that. I can't explain, but you know what I mean. What you watching the video.
Yes, I'm just a soul whose intentions are good. Oh Lord, please don't let me be misunderstood.
That was a nice song. That's from the Animals. Wow, I really like it. I like it. Of course, I'm always saying this, but I wish it was a little longer. But I like it. I really like it. Yes, comment below. Let me know if there's any other songs by the Animals. Comment below. Let me know if there's any other songs by the Animals you like me to react to. Gives me a thumbs up, because that shows me that you're a big fan of the Animals and you want me to rap more of their songs. I will do so. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Yes, go subscribe to my channel. And yeah, and I see our lovely people. Y'all take care of yourself. Bye and peace.